Hi, I'm Henry from Ring Automotive, and today we'll be unboxing our RSDC3000 award-winning smart dash camera. So dash cameras have become increasingly more popular with drivers as it gives them peace of mind when out on the road, able to capture evidence if they were involved in an incident. However, technology has moved on, and Ring's smart dash cameras allow you to connect the dash camera to your mobile phone, allowing you to easily store and download any footage that is captured. So before we open the box, obviously just want to point out that the camera is a smart dash camera and therefore is enabled to work with our Ring Connect app. But opening up the box, you have one dash camera, various other components. So we have a trim tool for hiding the cables. We have a magnetic mount with sticky pad for connecting to the windscreen, 12-volt power cord, the user manual, a sticker to place on your vehicle to let drivers know you have a dash camera, and a spare replacement sticky pad if needed in the future. The product itself is packed with some really key safety features. One is it will give a warning for lane departure. It will also give an audible warning for detecting oncoming vehicles if it thinks it's too near. There is also a G-Shock sensor which locks any recording in the event of a collision. There's also GPS tracking, and the resolution of the actual camera is full HD, so it runs at 30 frames per second, but it's got a 1296 pixel resolution, which is really high definition. So before we actually get to use the dash camera, we have to set it up, and the first thing to do is to insert the micro SD card into the slot provided. Then you're ready to add the power cable. Now you can add the power cable to the dash camera itself, but the more logical connection is going to be with the magnetic mount, and once that's fixed into place, you can add the power cable into the mini USB socket, and again the camera will automatically turn on and start recording as you drive. So to get the most out of the dash camera, you can connect it to our Ring Connect app, and if you go through, you have the options here of having the dash cam actually play through the app, so you can get a live view of what is being seen, and you can change the angle of the phone to get a wider view if you need it in your car. And if you come back to the screen, you can also go to the gallery of footage that has already been captured, and if you wanted to download any of the footage, you just select it, hit the download button or hit the lock button to save it, or alternatively hit the delete button. But it's one simple way of keeping all of the footage that you need in one place and being able to play it back easily and quickly, but also downloading and sharing if need be. So there you have it, our award-winning RSDC3000 smart dash camera. Whether you use it with or without the app, it will give you peace of mind when driving on the road.